everyone, Maria here and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! This is my first video that I'm filming in 2019. I kind of just hadn't been inspired, but scrolling through Instagram recently, I was inspired by this picture here from Alima Beauty. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I figured I would try to recreate her look. I do like how this turns out, but like I had to stop and start over, which you'll see all that in the video. So I'm not going to ramble. We're just gonna go ahead and get started, but just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you've hit that notification bell so that way you never miss another upload from me. And yeah, let's just, all right. Come on, go ahead, let's go. All right, so we are just gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna start with these baby brows real quick. Let me zoom you in a little. And so for my brow pomade, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. So I just start off by using a little bit first, and then as I continue on, I make them, the color, the darkness that I want, excuse me. And then in the front, I'm just gonna take it and I'm going to flick it up. Alright, so then the next thing I've been doing is taking my Precisely My Brow. This is in the shade 4. And I've just been taking this and doing more strokes in the front. And then this also helps me to darken up my brow if I want. And since my hair is black, obviously I want to darken it. And for the look we're doing today, we need nice bold brows. And then to set, I've just been using the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. And, setting these babies. And I really do like this brow gel. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this other eye real quickly, and then I'll come back and do the top of my brow and all that good stuff. So for primer today, we're going to be using the Tatcha Silk Canvas, which is what I have kind of intermittently been using. I like to switch it up. I'm not use it every day, but, well, not every day, but every time I apply primer, every time I apply makeup, excuse me. Alright, so first, I'm actually going to start with I'm going to start with the lighter burgundy shade and put that all over. I was trying to figure out how I wanted to do it. So I'm just going to take Let's Roll and just apply this all over. And this burgundy shade is the lighter of the two, so there's an orangish color towards the top, right here. Okay, let's try that again. Right there, it's a pinkish orange color. So I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm going to use this orangish color right here. I think I'm just going to wipe this off and start all over again, because I don't like this. It's not how I wanted it to look. I'm just going to wipe this off and just start all over. It's not how I wanted it to look at all. Alright guys, I'm back and we're about to start over. So instead, I'm going to start out with using my Sigma Beauty and a palette, and I'm going to use the shade Rogue. And I'm going to just put that, take that and put it in the crease. I'm going to go in with that orange shade. I'm just going to put that on my crease. I'm gonna go in with my Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm gonna take this orange right here and pop that on top. Hope I don't have to like quit and start all over again. So I'm gonna go into the Dream Queen palette and I'm gonna take Let's Roll. And I'm just gonna pack that down here. Right, I mean, that turned out better. It's still not like exact, obviously, because I obviously don't have like exactly what she used for her eyes, but I mean, it turned out better than it was. So I mean, I'm happier with this than I was with the other. Y'all don't know like how upset I feel right now. So but I'm just trying to push through it. So for liner, I'm going to be using my Maybelline eyeliner. This is in the Blackest Black. So we're gonna do kind of a thick wing. But I'm gonna use this Dream About Me from ColourPop. This is like a goldish burgundy glitter. It's a body glitter, but I'm gonna use it on my eyes. I am just going to, I'll come right back. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just had to take like a quick like step away and like get myself together because I legit was just so frustrated at the fact that it didn't turn out right the first time. But I do obviously have my foundation on for foundation today. I used my Fenty Beauty in 370 mixed with my Becca 24-hour, I think that's what it's called, right? Yeah, Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation. So I just mixed those two together. So yeah, now we're going to highlight, contour, all that good stuff. First, to highlight, I'm just gonna go in with my Born This Way. And this is in the shade Warm Sand. Top of this, I'm going to take my Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and this is in the shade Golden. I really like mixing these two together because A, it gives me like really good coverage, and like B, this Can't Stop, Won't Stop is so super creamy that it just like, it's just a dream. To conceal, I'm also going to use the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. This is too dark, obviously, so I'll use a little bit, but this is in Deep Walnut. Okay, and then to blend out my contour, I'm using my Sigma Flat Kabuki brush. Y'all know, like when I contour on my cheek, I do it a little bit higher so that way I can bring it down so that way it's not like too low. Ends up like exactly where I want it to, which is in the like hollow of my cheek. So that's why I do it up here. And since I use this big brush, it just works out. Now for powder, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Banana. And I'm gonna mix that with a little bit of a darker yellow powder. So I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup. I'll just mix those together because like I feel like the Makeup Revolution one is just a little bit too light. And the banana powder is like too dark for my winter, you know, shade. So I just kind of like, it's just easier for me to mix them together. And then I'm just gonna wipe that off where I typically contour. For under eyeliner, you guys know I love my Sigma Longwear eyeliner in Wicked. So I'm just gonna go in with that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with the Rogue shade. I already did this eye, as you see. So I'm just taking this Rogue shade in my Sigma Warm Neutrals palette and just taking that underneath. So I think I'm going to go in with Iman here and do that, and then brush that also along my brow bone because she did that as well. So first I'm just going to brush it along my brow bone. Alright, and since I'm going to just be lazy and not look for another brush, I'm just going to take the other end of this brush and then do that right here in my inner corner. For highlight, I'm going to go in with my Desi Katie and Chasing the Sun. I'm gonna apply a generous amount. Not like too much, but it'll be a generous amount. And over top of that, with my finger, I'm going to go in with Guilty Pleasure. This is from ColourPop. And I'm just gonna pop that right on top for just the extra bling blow. Going to go in with Infinite Best from ColourPop. I'm not applying a liner or nothing. No liner or nothing, child. Just gonna go in. All right, that was a struggle, but we finally done. I will be back to close out the video. All right, and here we have the finished look. I finally got it done. Thank God, because this was a struggle. Like, this was a real life struggle, but we're done, we're here, we're good, we're cute. And yeah, so that is it. Everything that I used will be listed in the description box below. Again, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.